Good morning and namaskar. Today I am back with you with a reasonably good company, Sadhana Nitro Chem Limited, who has declared good results for the Q2 for the current year. साधना नाइट्रो केम का Q1 रिजल्ट्स भी अच्छा था और अब ये Q2 रिजल्ट्स भी अच्छा है. साधना नाइट्रो केम is a ISO 9001 certified company. अब 9002 भी लिया है. It is headed by Asit Zaveri as executive chairman and Abhishek K. Zaveri as MD and CFO both. The company's products are increasing every year. Now it includes meta-aminophenol. This is manufactured with the technical know-how from Biase of Switzerland. Then nitrobenzene, major product, therefore it is called Sadhana Nitro Chem. Other products are 3,3-dinitrodiphenyl sulfone, methanylic acid, aniline 2-5 disulfonic acid, aniline 2-4 disulfonic acid, butane 1,2,3,4 tetracarbocyclic acid, dibutyl keto acid, diethyl keto acid, 3,3-diamino-diphenyl sulfone, sodium meta-nitrobenzene sulfonate, and N,N-diethyl meta-aminophenol. All are chemicals, but they are in great demand for many industries such as paper, pharmaceuticals, agrochemicals, thermal dyes, light stabilizer, aerospace, dyes, hair dyes, and so on. The company's plant is located in Raigad district of Maharashtra at a place called Roha. The company has won an award for excellent export performance from Chemexcel. Sadhana Nitro is a recognized 2-star golden export house. Now it has an excellent marketing network which is improving every year in countries like USA, UK, Europe, Korea, South Asian countries, Japan, and so on. It's increasing its footprint. The company has 2 subsidiaries. One of them is Anuchem BVBA Belgium. It's a foreign subsidiary. Anuchem BVBA Belgium foreign subsidiary. And then Strix Wireless Systems Private Limited. That's an Indian subsidiary. Now, exports constitute more than 76% of the sales. So, it has got both ISO 9001 and 9002 certifications also now for its quality systems. Now, let us see the annual results for the latest year. The total consolidated revenue of Sadhana Nitro for the year ended 31st March 2018 is 114.64 crores. 114.64 crores against just 57.37 crores in the previous year. Now, consolidated net profit for the year is 31.09 crores against just 0.39 crores in the previous year. So, there is a huge jump in both sales and net profits compared to the previous year in the year of 2017-18. Now, the company is making focused efforts for expanding the product line and applications for its product line, and therefore strong results are coming quarter after quarter. And it says these results are very healthy and sustainable in future also. Now, the company is expanding its production lines and achieving economies of scale. That makes it competitive in the international markets on the global front. It is building steady relationships with existing customers and also with the new customers. So the latest profit 31.37 crores is the highest net profit ever. Likewise the revenue also. So the growth is 3237%. Fantastic growth, no? Annual basis. The company has, this is important again, the company has a very strong order book position, and therefore it expects to maintain this level of growth in future also. Now, exports total 81.63 crores, a growth of 96% over 41.52 crores. Mostly exports. The company is manufacturing color formers, which is a key raw material for coating of thermal paper, which is a very fast growing industry. The company is therefore expanding its production lines for this color formers to meet the increasing global demand. You see, the company's products are all in great demand globally also, within India and globally also. Therefore, it is expanding its product line. As color farmers, it is expanding a lot. Again, it says there is also increased demand for meta-aminophenol and aniline 2,5-disulfuric acid globally. Again, global demand only. And the company is increasing the production by about 50%. Perhaps this sort of improvements will go on always. The estimated capital cost for all these expansions which are now being done is about 50 crores, and it will be met through internal accruals, and it is expected to be completed before the end of this financial year, that is by March of 2019. Now, see, once the completion is there during the current year end, the impact of this extra production will be felt in the next year. The company is mostly debt free, no debts. So it wants to use the cash flows to expand the product line and diversify into new products and downward derivatives of the existing products. So it is creating a long-term pipeline for its revenue and profits. It is doing well. Now let us see the Q2 results. Now we have seen the results of 2017-2018 over the previous year. The performance was very good in the previous year. The performance in Q1 was very good. The performance in Q2 is a big improvement on Q1 also. Now the total income in Q2 is 84 crores, whereas in Q1 it was 66 crores, and in Q2 last year it was just 16 crores. So there is a year-on-year increase of 427% in the total income, and quarter-on-quarter basis 27% increase. Now the net profit is 28.74 crores in Q2 compared to 22.32 crores in the previous Q1, and just 0.83 crores in Q2 last year. So the improvement over last year is 3,363%. So fantastic improvement over the previous year. Now 29% quarter-on-quarter growth. So income has grown 427%. Net profit has grown 3,363% year-on-year. So earlier years the production was very limited. Now it is growing very fast. The equity is 9.32 crores. The basic UPS is 30.71 compared to 23.83 in the previous quarter, and 0.88 in the previous year Q2. So, Sadhana Nitrochem's progress quarter after quarter, year on year, are both very good. Now, the market price at present is 1,125. Volumes are low. So, this is a weak point in Sadhana Nitro. Volumes are weak. To some extent, sometimes it comes down to 4 digits, sometimes it is in 5 digits. But Sadhana wants to subdivide the shares into two. 10 rupees share will be made into 2 shares of 5 each. So wait for that. Then the volumes also will improve much better than at present. But don't worry about the volume. The company is growing very well. The 52-week low is 53 rupees. Last year it was around 52 rupees. Now the highest point reached was 1,350. Currently at 1,125. So scope for going up to 1,350 or beyond are very much there. Now face value is 10. Price earning is 9.16. For a growth of this nature, 9.16 is quite good, and it can go up to 10, 15 also easily. So the price last year around this time was 63. Now it is 1,125. Maximum is 1,350. So price is upwardly mobile, and in a good market, it can go very fast, much beyond 1,350. So now you choose. Sadhana Nitro is a good share. It's improving. Its production capabilities are also increasing. Therefore, it's a good share too. Whether it will be a multi-bagger from this level, from 1,125 level, whether it will be a multi-bagger by next year end, I don't know. But in 2-3 years, it can. In 2 years, it can probably, because it is improving its product lines. And we do hope the market will recover. See, if the market is bad, nothing works. But for a long-term investor, it doesn't matter. So if the prices are coming down for a good company, it is time to buy. It is like that always. Therefore, I wish you all the best. Watch for such good companies, examine them, and see if you can make them part of your portfolio. It is a little costly, 1,125. But if you look at the price earning, it's not very costly. It is at 9 point and odd, something like that, not very costly. But if the correction period is over quickly and the market becomes normal, this share can do very well. So I have always been telling all of my listeners, kindly maintain a portfolio approach. Never depend upon any one stock. Minimum 10 stocks, optimum 15 stocks. Not more than 20 stocks. And in any particular stock, not more than 10%. That secures you. That is an insurance for you. Even if 1 or 2 stocks fail, overall your portfolio will succeed. And always go for good stocks. Don't go for suspect stocks. Suspense stocks. No. There are good stocks. Why do you go for suspense stocks, which may do very well or which may bomb? So I'll come before you. So my request is, go on listening to these videos twice or thrice. Understand fully the plus and minus both, and then take your decisions. Many companies are there. Why 15? There are 50 companies which are producing excellent results. Why 50? Even much more than that. 100 companies will produce excellent results. You choose from amongst them. All that you need is 10 to 15 companies, and it should be within your budget. That's the only thing. Thanks for listening. Tell your friends also to join, and I'll come up before you with another great share. Thank you.